guys? It's Kelly and Happy New Year! I am back. I'm so excited. It's 2018. It's about to go down. Stuff is happening. I don't know what any of that means. What's up, guys? It's been so long since I've filmed that I can't think of how I say what's up, guys. What's up, guys? It's Kelly and Happy New Year! I'm so happy to be back. It's been forever since I filmed. And today I'm doing another nail polish 101 video. Great way to kick off 2018. So I guess we'll just jump right into it. Today we're going to talk about how to keep top coat from smudging your nail art. So we've all fallen victim to spending way too much time doing an awesome nail art design, getting a little impatient, putting the top coat on, and then it just smudging the entire design and destroying it, and then you want to cry and it's a terrible day. But today I'm going to teach you guys how to avoid all of that. I've got 6 different tips for you, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first tip is one that you guys might think is a little bit obvious, but just in case you don't know, you definitely have to wait for your nail polish to totally dry before you add your top coat. This is something, when I do my nail art videos, it always seems like I'm immediately adding my top coat because I edit out the time in between, but it's actually really important to wait. I usually wait at least 20 minutes, but I will say it definitely varies based on where you live, like what your climate is. I know that when I am here in Georgia, the air is very humid, so it usually takes me longer for my nails to dry in general. I know when I went out to California and I painted my nails out there, they dried in like 5 minutes. So you definitely have to know your climate. I would say be on the safe side, so wait a little bit longer than you think you have to. Usually what I do with nail art is I will actually just touch it completely. If it feels dry, then that's how I know. Because otherwise I do not want to have my top coat because I know it's going to smudge. Another option that you can do is use a nail dryer. I do have a nail polish dryer. Sometimes I just don't feel like using it and I don't mind waiting, but if you do want to invest in one, I have a really awesome one. I love it. I've had it for, gosh, I feel like I've had it for like 4 years now, and it's really good. So I'll put a link in the description for the one that I use. I did a video on it, but it was so long ago and I was awkward back then, so don't watch it. Okay, tip number 2 is use a thick top coat. So there are a couple of different types of top coat that are out there. Some of them are a gel-like top coat and some of them are just regular top coat. I hate thin top coat. No offense to NCLA, I love their nail polishes, but this is their top coat. It looks like it's just water in there. And I know that SE has their top coat is like this too, where if you like move it and the air bubble just immediately follows and it just looks like there's water in here. This is the type of top coat that I hate because it is way too thin to use for nail art. If you get a top coat where you like shake it and it just is like a glob, like a thick glob of gel, that's the good stuff. This is the stuff that you want to use. So when you use this really thin type, that nail polish brush is going to be able to touch your nail art design, and that's what you don't want to happen. I don't know if that's going to make much sense to you guys, but basically if the bristles touch your nail art design, then it's going to start to drag the design with it. When you use a gel-like top coat, you're getting a nice thick coat and you're going to have a layer of top coat in between your nail art and your brush, so when you're brushing it on, it's not gonna actually touch the physical nail art. Does that make sense? I don't know. Okay, so tip number 3 I just touched on, which is don't let the bristles of the nail polish brush touch your nail art. What that's gonna do is those little bristles are going to pull the nail art design down. So make sure that you're using a really thick layer of your top coat. Better safe than sorry. It's always better to sort of flood your cuticles and clean it up after. I do it all the time, than to not use enough top coat and smudge your nail art design. Okay, tip number 4 is use as few brush strokes as possible with your top coat. What I like to do is one thick stroke down the middle and then one on each side. I try to go as quickly as possible, and then if you cap your nails, which is just swiping the brush along the free edge of your nail, then you can go ahead and do that. I don't always do that because sometimes my nails are too short, but sometimes I do. Okay, tip number 5 is paint your top coat on in the direction of your nail art if possible. So if you're doing horizontal stripes, paint your top coat on horizontally. Because if you paint it on vertically, you're giving yourself a much bigger chance of those polishes running down as you paint on your top coat. This is something that I do all the time if I'm doing like diagonal stripes or something that's horizontal across the nail. It's just easier. There's no wrong way to apply it. If you feel super uncomfortable with it and you feel like it's not totally smooth on your nail, you can wait for that first layer of top coat to dry and then you can go in with another regular vertical coat of top coat, but you're totally fine just doing a horizontal coat of top coat. My last tip for you guys is just a suggestion, something you can buy, and this is something that I've only recently started using, but I became obsessed with it. Quick dry drops. Oh my gosh. I feel like in one of my videos, which is actually a nail polish 101 video, I was like, I do not like quick dry drops. I have changed my mind. These are the Zoya speed dry drops. Wow, they're amazing. What I do for nail art is I will do my nail art, I will let it mostly dry. I will use the quick dry drops over it, let that dry, wipe it off, and then go in with my top coat just as I normally would because I can't not use top coat. It smooths out the design. It's very important to me. This helps speed the process so much. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just recently used it in one of my Christmas nail art designs. I will put the link up here, but I usually wait like 20 minutes, like I said. When I use this, I waited less than 5 minutes and I was like, oh my gosh, it didn't smudge at all. And I was using red nail polish, which always bleeds. So very impressed by this. I'll put a link in the description below for this as well. No, this isn't a sponsorship and I'm not making any money off of the link or anything like that. I'm literally just telling you guys this stuff is legit, okay? Yeah, so that's actually it. If you guys have any requests for different nail polish 101 videos, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my nail polish 101 series, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, because I've got a ton of exciting new content coming for the year. We're gonna be doing more makeup stuff. We're gonna be doing more nail polish stuff. I'm definitely gonna be going back to nail art Sundays. I know that this isn't a nail art Sunday, but I just wanted to do a really fun video for you guys, so that's over here. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I know people are gonna ask in the comments. I think I'm just gonna start writing in the description what nail polish I'm wearing. This is OPI Rich Girls and Po Boys. I just thought it kind of matched my eyes, so I wanted to try it. Okay, so if you're new, at the end of every video, I do a fun fact about myself, which I'm starting to run out of fun facts, but today I've got a good one, which is I buy men's clothes all the time. I love wearing them. I don't know why. Normally I love guys' clothes at Hot Topic, but I also like guys' clothes at Forever 21. This is a men's shirt, as are many of my shirts actually. So yeah, that's it. All right, talk to you guys later.